In this video we're going to head out to the Cairngorms mountains in Scotland and stay at a secret bothy. So come along and join me on this adventure. To get to the mountains we jumped on a bus from Aberdeen and headed out to Braemar. This journey takes just over 2 hours to complete, but along the way you get some fantastic views, and on this occasion seeing the landscape covered with a blanket of snow. So that's us just got off the bus now, and now we're going to hit the trail and head more further into the mountains and see if we can find this hut. It was a short walk to the start of the trail. During our hike into the mountains, we spotted some baby Highland cows in a field. Further on, looking down the valley towards Braemar, we could see Braemar Castle in the distance. We continued on up through the valley to enter the glen in which we were heading. The mountainous views were simply magical, being coated in a deep layer of snow. It was so quiet and peaceful down in the glen, with not another human in sight. As we hiked further up the glen, we noticed many herds of deer roaming the top of the mountains. We continued hiking up the glen, going up in elevation. The more we hiked, the deeper the snow and the stronger the wind got. Daylight was fading fast, and we hope that we can find the secret shelter soon. With the conditions getting worse, we decided it was too dangerous to carry on, and had to hike back the way we came, a total of 5 hours, to seek refuge at another shelter on the other side of Braemar. We arrived at our backup shelter at midnight. Cold and tired, we're eager to get some sleep. In the morning, the winds had disappeared and the sun was out, to make for a gorgeous day. Perfect weather for us to enjoy our hike back to Braemar. It was somewhat disappointing to not make it to the secret shelter in the mountains. But due to the conditions, we chose to play it safe, for safety. I'll have to try again to find and stay in the secret shelter.